Good morning, everyone. I am Jessa Pellazar, a secondary applicant for subject mathematics. So, let me present to you my lesson plan for this demonstration. The learning objectives: at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to first define polynomial and the rules involving operations on polynomials, and lastly, add and subtract polynomials. So, the preliminary activities includes the recap for the previous lesson and a short activity by group that are relevant to the lesson. And for the discussion, I will discuss the addition and subtraction of polynomials, and for the application, I will divide the students into 3 groups and do the activity. So let me start. Everyone, please stand up and settle yourselves for the prayer. And Mr. Velasquez, can you lead? In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. So, good morning, class. Okay, and before you take your seats, please pick up some trashes or papers under your chair and kindly arrange your chairs properly. Okay, you will now take your seat. And you may take your attendance first. Abisamis, present. Cornell, present. Villanueva, present. Velasquez, present. Okay, no one is absent for today. Very good. Before we proceed to our next topic, who can recapitulate the lesson last meeting? Anyone? Okay, Mr. Villanueva. Okay, very good. So we tackled about operation on monomials last meeting. So any questions? None? Okay. We may now proceed to our next topic. Okay. So, our learning objectives for today. Mr. Velasquez, can you read? Okay, thank you. So, these are the learning objectives that we need to achieve for today. So, I have a short activity that is called speed test. So, each one of you state whether the expression is a polynomial. If so, classify it as either a monomial, binomial, or a trinomial. Okay, let me start. Okay, ready? Okay. First, x squared plus 5. Okay, good. It is a polynomial and classified as binomial. Second, Mr. Cornell, negative 2x cubed plus 4 minus y squared. Okay, very good. It is a binomial and classified as trinomial. Third, 6x, Mr. Abisamis. Okay, it is also a polynomial and classified as monomial. Negative 5a squared plus 3a. Mr. Moon. Okay, it is a polynomial and classified as binomial. Last, 5x squared y minus 8xy plus y squared. It is a, yes, Mr. Velasquez. Yes, it is a polynomial and classified as trinomial. And now we will proceed to our proper lesson, the operations on monomials. Before we proceed, we will define first the polynomial. Okay, Ms. Labasan, can you read the definition? integral exponents that contain no variable in the denominator. So, monomials, binomials, and trinomials may be or classified as polynomials. So, the examples are x squared, second, 3x minus 1, third, x squared minus 4x plus 5. These are the examples of polynomials. So, this time, we will proceed to the operation of polynomials, which is the addition. So, addition of polynomials. Okay, Miss Maxine, can you read? Okay, thank you. So, to add polynomials, combine similar terms or like terms and proceed as in addition of monomials, which we tackled about last meeting. So, example, x squared plus 3x plus 1 plus 4x squared plus 5. So, x squared plus 3x plus 1 plus 4x squared plus 5. So, combine the similar terms or like terms first and proceed to the addition of monomials. So, x squared plus 4x squared. So, the numerical coefficient is 4, and for the x squared, it is automatic. It has a automatic 1 numerical coefficient. So, x squared plus 4x squared is equals to 5x squared plus bring down the 3x plus 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. So, the answer is 5x squared plus 3x plus 6. So, do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So, next, we will proceed to the next example. So, 2x plus 3y plus 6xy plus negative 5x plus 2y plus 3xy. So, 2x plus 3y minus 6xy plus negative 5x plus 2y plus 3xy. So, the combined like terms, 2x and negative 5x, 3y and 2y and the negative 6xy, and the like terms 3xy. So, negative 2 plus negative 5 is equals to 3x plus 3 plus 2y is equals to 5y, negative 6xy plus 3xy is equals to 3xy. So, the answer is 3xy, negative 3x plus 5y minus 3xy. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so we're done with the addition of polynomials. So, now we will proceed to the next operation, the subtraction of polynomials. Subtraction of polynomials. Okay, can we read Mr. Villanueva? Okay, thank you. To subtract polynomials, follow the steps in subtracting monomials after combining similar terms. So, recall the subtraction of polynomials involves adding the additive inverse of the subtrahend. The additive inverse is obtained by multiplying each of the terms of the polynomial by negative 1. So, here are some examples. 4a cubed minus 2a squared plus 5a plus 7 minus 3a cubed minus 8a squared minus 9a minus 14. So, the subtrahend there is the 3a cubed minus 8a squared minus 9a minus 14. So, we will add a additive inverse to the subtrahend. So, 4a cubed minus addition. So the positive 3a cubed becomes a negative 3a cubed plus, and the negative 8a squared becomes positive 8a squared. Then the negative 9a becomes positive 9a, and the negative 14 becomes a positive 14. So 4a cubed minus 2a squared plus 5a plus 7 plus negative 3a cubed plus 8a squared plus 9a plus 14. So proceed to the addition on monomials. So 4a cubed plus negative 3a cubed is equals to a cubed plus negative 2a squared plus 8a squared is equals to 6a squared plus 5a plus 9a equals to 14a, and 7 plus 14 is equals to 21. So the answer is a cubed plus 6a squared plus 14a plus 21. Okay, do you understand? Any clarifications? None? So let's proceed to another example. So subtract 8x raised to the power of 4 plus 9x cubed plus 2x minus 11 from 13x raised to the power of 4 minus 5x minus 18. So the subtrahend is the 8x raised to the power of 4 minus 9x3 plus 2x plus minus 11. So the subtrahend by adding additive inverse by multiplying negative 1, the positive becomes negative and the negative becomes positive. So the answer is 13x raised to the power of 4 plus negative 8x raised to the power of 4 is equal to 5x raised to the power of 4, and the plus 9x cubed minus negative 5x plus negative 2x equals to negative 7x. So negative 18 plus 11 is equals to negative 7. So the answer is negative 5x raised to the power of 4 plus 9x cubed minus 7x minus 7. So in column 4, so combine like terms, negative 13x raised to the power of 4 and negative 8x raised to the power of 4 plus 9x squared, 9x cubed rather, and negative 5x and negative 2x, and the numerical coefficient 18 and 11. So the answer is 5x raised to the power of 4 plus 9x cubed minus 7x minus 7. So any clarifications or questions? None? Okay, thank you. So this time we'll have a group activity. So form yourselves into 3 groups and answer the following equations for 5 minutes. Each group has a representative to solve the equation on the board. So count off 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So the last number is Mr. Villanueva, okay, 2. So group 1, group 2, group 3. Go to your group now.